Well, my campsite luck kind of ran out. Went to a place that I was told was a campsite, and I got here and it has been converted into a older home community, and there's no campsite anymore, so I just kind of had to, it was dark, it was raining. I'd already rode over 60 miles, so I ended up just kind of coming to a corner lot here. Camping in the dark, and it's now 5:40, and I'm gonna just get out of here as soon as I can. I'll probably be gone by 6. I'm all packed up, ready to go. It was a pretty miserable night. It rained all night. I had to set up in the rain, so everything was wet inside. Everything was just wet inside the tent and outside, obviously. Hotels are just too far. Onward. I had dinner at a place called Depew in Madairyville yesterday, but it was about 6 or 8 miles shorter where I wanted to go. I probably should have stayed there. Okay, here we go.
Hello, Sheriff.
They're getting ready to arrest this whole table here, I think.
Every morning.
Except for me.
Every morning.
Every morning? What do you want to say to Karen?
Hello, Karen. You have a good day. She's got a new job at talking to a bunch of us old retired farmers, and the sheriff is here making sure we're straight.
Sheriff just checked, and they all have their ankle bracelets on. That's why they all have their long pants on. Talking to the retired farmers and the Pulaski sheriff, if any dogs chased me. They both asked me, and the answer was no. And 10 minutes later, my first dog chased me. It wasn't mean. I was afraid I was going to run over him. We're here at the library, and I run into Miguel.
Hi, everybody.
Actually, Miguel is a friend of mine from Ragbri last year, and he's going to ride across Illinois with me. So we're having a new victim for the next 4 days or so.
Super excited. Can't wait.
Afternoon, guys. We've been gravel about half the day today. We have no idea what that is. Anybody has an idea? Write it in the comments. Here we are, Bruce Bikes America on the marquee at Marathon in Kankakee. Awesome. Bruce's shoe repair strikes again. My reef sandal pulled out. The old zip tie will fix any shoe. Kind of a pain to put on, but it's functional when you don't bring any other shoes on a trip, other than my biking shoes and water shoes. Quality Suites in Kankakee, Illinois, and here's the swimming pool. More like a storage area. I think this used to be a pretty fancy hotel. There's a conference center and everything. It's nice now, but not like it used to be, I think. Here's Miguel in Kankakee State Park, right along the Kankakee River. Here at Kankakee State Park on the Kankakee River. Here over the Kankakee River. Polk-A-Dot Drive-In. That is a phone booth for anybody under 30, in case you haven't seen them. Oh, we have the Blues Brothers over here. Braidwood, Illinois. I did not even realize that we were crossing Route 66. Route 66 is most of my path, but I'm gonna take the longer way so I can go through the Quad Cities and Bettendorf and Davenport. And then I'll go south, and then I'll hook up with Route 66 from St. Louis to Santa Monica, where my son Brian is. My first spot on Route 66. We're just crossing it. I just ate at my first kitschy Route 66 restaurant. Just hanging out with all these famous people as I eat. Miguel is a Chicago paramedic, and he even has the little CPR mask right there with him all the time.
Oh yeah.
The deal is, if I have a heart attack or get hit by a car, Miguel is going to save my life for free. If Miguel has a heart attack or he hits by a car, I'm going to prepare his tax return for his estate for free. That may not sound like a good deal, but I'm throwing in the Illinois return with it. Glad we worked that out. Some alpacas. Okay, this is the campsite at the Starved Rock State Park. Closest spot to the restrooms and the shower. It's nice. This is the Illinois River. And over that way, behind Miguel, is LaSalle-Peru, Illinois. Tomorrow we will reach the Quad Cities in Bettendorf, Iowa, my hometown, original hometown. It's been a while, it's been 40-some years. And I should say we will reach Iowa, which was Miguel's original home state. But he's now a Chicago boy.
Hi everybody. We just got to LaSalle. This is the old canal lock system from the 1800s. They've got an old boat. And the name of this one is the Illinois-Michigan Canal. And we'll be jumping onto the Hennepin Canal later today, so stay tuned. The two things that every paramedic cyclist needs is your pocket mask in case anyone needs help, and your fireball in case anyone gets thirsty. So, two very important things you should have.
That works. Welcome to cycling. So yesterday we rode 72 miles from Kankakee to Starved Rock State Park. That was my longest day. The warm-up for the 30-year-old. But I was trying to get closer to the Quad Cities in Bettendorf. It was a struggle, but I did it. It was almost half the day was gravel, and the whole day was a headwind. So it was a long, tough day for an old guy. Welcome to Depew, the land of the little giants. This is the old school in Bureau Junction. The city was formed in 1874. So this is the Hennepin Canal Towpath. We've been on it for a few miles.
How's it going?
Good. Here's the canal. The water is flowing westward. It goes into this grate. You can see there's a big drop off here, to be continued. That grate must go down underneath that creek, and then it's coming out underneath this bridge. You can see it bubbling up down there. There are massive ridges in there, and it's muddy. Didn't expect that. Once we started, thought it'd be nice and smooth. And we're up to lock 14. Okay, here's the lock at the downstream end. Winch this back and that would open the gate. Westboro Creek Aqueduct. There's our first obstacle on, and then you have to get off the bike. Okay, that was much better than the last one. It was paved, it had a mud floor, didn't have a ton of ridges, and it wasn't near as dark.